We have here a problem sent to us sa isa sa ating mga followers. Ang question is, a father divides his estate between 4 sons, each son receiving an equal share. One of the sons died, and one half of his share was divided equally among his 3 brothers and added to each of their shares. What part of the entire estate did each of the remaining 3 sons receive? So basically, ang sabi, meron kang 4 na sons. And then they equally divide yung ating estate, right? So meaning to say, each son will have 1/4 of that share. By the way, we are going to solve this one in 2 ways, using bar models and using algebra. So again, meron kang 4 na sons. Each son will have 1/4 of the share. Now, ang sabi, one of the sons died. So for example, itong son na to, namatay, right? Died. What will happen to his share? Ang sabi, one half of his share was divided. So one half, ano bang one half ng 1/4? Ang one half ng 1/4 is just 1/8, right? So ang mangyayari dito, ang share niya, that is 1/4. Ang one half of that or 1/8 of that one will be divided among his 3 brothers. Ilan ba yung brothers na tatlo? So yung ating 1/8, i-divide natin into 3, meron tayong ito, right? Yan. I-divide into 3. Ito. So each of his alive brother will receive this part. Ilan ba ito lahat? That is 1 out of 24 parts. Alright? So again, ang brother niya will receive this. Ang brother niya will receive this. And ang isang brother will receive this. So we're just going to add para makuha yung class question, what part of the entire state did each of the remaining 3 sons receive? So ang gawin lang natin, ito, add lang natin. So meron tayong, that is 1/4, di ba? 1/4 plus 1 out of 24. And then, common LCD natin is 24. Meron tayong 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1. This gives us 7 out of 24. Meaning to say, each of the remaining brothers or son will receive 7 out of 24 of the entire state. That is true because again, kung meron tayong 7 over 24 each, multiply natin yan by 3. Multiply by 3, this gives you 21 out of 24. Tapos, i-add back natin itong 1/2 of this. Ilan nga to? This is just 3/8, right? That is 3 out of, this is 1/8 or that is 3 out of 24 parts, right? So you're gonna get 24 or simply 1. So again, ito yung way natin to solve this one using bar model. Now let's try to solve this one using algebra. So again, the same problem. So algebra tayo. Lagay natin, let x be yung state, no? So kung meron kang each son will get x over 4, di ba? Of the entire state kasi nga 4 sila. Now, if yung isang son namatay, one son died, 1/2 of this one will be divided sa 3 brothers niya. So ano yung 1/2 ng x over 4? So 1/2 of, multiply natin, this will give you x over 8. So meaning to say, itong x over 8 natin, we are going to divide this one into 3 brothers. So ating x over 8 divided by 3. So again, this is just x over 8 times 1 over 3 or simply x over 24. So again, each of the remaining brother will receive x over 24. So balik lang natin, meron tayong x over 4 plus x over 24. This will give you 24. Again, meron kang 6x plus x. This is 7 over 24. x. So again, that is 7 out of 24. Using algebra and using bar model, the same yung ating sagot. Asan sa dalawang method ang mas madali sa inyo? Or if you have other method, please do share sa ating comment section. Follow for more.